Today I'm cooking a very simple spicy stir fry kailan with pork shoulder. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 600 grams of kailan, washed and cleaned, 200 grams of pork shoulder cut into thin slices, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, half tablespoon of tapioca flour, quarter teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 2 tablespoons of garlic oil, 50 ml of water, and 4 pieces of red bird eye chili. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. Put all the salt on the pork shoulder, rub and marinate until well combined. Leave it aside. Add 200 ml of water into tapioca flour. Mix until flour has dissolved. Leave it aside. Cut the kailan, separating the stem and the leaves. As the stem tend to cook longer, we will cook it first. For the leaves, they cook really fast, so we will cook it at the end. Alright, the kailan is already cut with the stem and leaves separated. I will give it another wash. Leave it aside. Next, cut off the stem from the chili and into half slantingly. Leave it aside. Put garlic oil in the pan. Switch on the heat and wait for the oil to heat up. Spread the pork shoulder around the pan for even cooking. Continue to cook for 3.5 minutes or until pork changes color to gray. Alright, the pork is now gray, but they are not completely cooked yet. Add in the chili, half of crispy fried garlic, and sesame oil. Stir until well mixed. Add in the kailan stems, and stir to coat it with the oil. Add in light soy sauce, oyster sauce, and 30 ml water. Mix until it is well combined. Cover the pan and simmer for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the kailan stems are cooked. Add in the leaves. Stir and cook for 1 more minute or until kailan leaves are soft and cooked. Alright, it's all cooked now. Give it a taste. It's delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already tasty. Add in the tapioca flour mix and stir until the gravy has become thicker. Alright, the gravy is thick and looks very smooth. Switch off the heat. The delicious spicy stir-fry kailan with pork shoulder is ready to be served. Lastly, garnish with crispy fried garlic. Let's eat! Wow, this is very delicious and flavorful. The vegetable is cooked with a little crunch, contrasting with tasty and tender pork shoulder and a slight heat from the chili. This will go well with rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!